The holidays, the food, your family get-together, and then your broken range. That holiday bird may be ready to go, but it has nowhere to go but the freezer when your stove doesn't work. In this video, you'll learn about the most reliable brands based on real service data, namely 48,392 service calls logged by our service department last year, not surveys or lab tests. You'll learn about the best brands based on service calls into homes just like yours. That's a lot to cover, so let's get started. "30 years ago, I was the service manager at Yale and had to deliver bad news about your stove not being repaired before Thanksgiving, Easter, or add your family holiday. Although Yale now has 35 technicians on the road to rectify service problems and logging over 48,000 service calls last year, buying more reliable brands is the best way for you to have fewer of these situations. For gas ranges, I finally have some good news. They're all mostly reliable, way below the 9.5% average service rate for appliances in the first year. And our reliability methodology is simple. It's service calls divided by sales for 12 months. Every manufacturer's weighed consistently. We don't play favorites mostly because we don't have any. Our favorite is the product we don't have to fix under warranty. Gas ranges are more reliable than appliances in general at 6.44% versus 9.5% for all categories. Not every brand is worth considering because it's pretty basic technology. However, you tend to need more service as you add features. Whirlpool may be the most reliable, but the same range with better features in KitchenAid with convection, say, and even more features in their Gen Air series require more service. Same with GE versus the better G profile ranges. GE and LG have more featured ranges than Whirlpool. They're a better consideration if you're considering a better stove. Even the Cafe, with 6 burners and 2 ovens, is worth considering at less than 9% service within the first year. Although I'll be bashed for this yet again, Samsung has to be considered for reliability. Samsung has been a lightning rod for criticism on our blog, our YouTube channel, and on the internet. However, as their many detractors point out, their service is lacking in many areas of the country. If Samsung does not have service in your area, then consider another brand. Everyone considers high-end, but the most popular appliances are these ranges. The GE and LG brands are the most interesting because you have good reliability and more features like convection and higher output burners than the basic Whirlpool. Samsung is another good brand depending on your tolerance for a worse service experience. Most every range is reliable on this list. Whirlpool and GE should be consideration because they have service nationwide. It's a good consideration if your stove doesn't offer service. Here's a newsflash, 95% do not. Remember, service rates escalate after year 1, so make sure any brand you consider has service in your area. Click the link to download our free gas cooking buying guide to learn more about all the most popular brands, get answers to frequently asked questions, and learn about buying strategies to save you money. Almost 1 million people have found answers in a Yale guide. Thanks for watching.